By the way, ibang-iba na ngayon ang galaw ng Pure Foods dito sa ating second quarter. Wala pang import nila, but they are playing beautiful music now. They're running, they're getting points on the break, plus they're playing better defense.
Samantala, si Kirby Raimundo nawala ng bola doon. And here's Winnie Arboleda, sinandwich.
And
Balik
ball
na,
deflection.
Ito, puntahan muli natin. Masipag itong ating courtside partner. Magumar dyan. Magu, ano ba balita dyan?
Mon, dito sa timeout ng Air 21, pinaalala ni Coach Bo na kailangan nilang tumakbo pabalik para meron naman silang transition defense. On offense naman, sabi niya, huwag puwersahin yung bola sa loob. Siguraduhin merong open man at pinaalala kay Thomas to kick it out. At sabi niya doon sa mga wing players niya, basta libre, itira nyo. Back to you guys.
Naman, ito nga nangyari dito sa Air 21. Martin Cruz nakanakaw, at dumire-diretso sa basket. Nakakuha ng foul, so 2 free throws para kay Marvin Cruz. Hindi pong kanilang huling laban against the Red Bull Barako. Natalo nga lamang po sila noon, 102-92 our final score.
Agad binalik ni Coach Botarazol si Doug Raymond, who had 8 points in the first period. And of course, he had a situation with over 2 point guards on the floor. Si Arboleda at si Cruz.
2-point lead para po sa Air 21. Kirby Raimundo against Doc. Hindi siya makaporma doon kay Doc Kramer. Fallon Ranidel. Una pa lamang para kay Ranidel de Ocampo. Ito po ang Pure Foods Denver Juicy Giants. Ray Evangelista to James Yap. Nahirapan ng todo si James Yap the first quarter natin ganito. Gusto bumawi here in the second quarter. Ranidel, wala yung kanyang TFS. And here's James Yap again para dito sa Pure Foods. Chico Lanete firing. Yes! TFS wala kay Chico Lanete.
At yung assist galing kay James Yap, no? Nabanggit natin, no, na pinahihirapan ng Year 21 si James Yap in terms of getting scores. Pero, he's finding ways to make himself productive on the floor by assisting.
That time, Stephen Thomas. Ito po siya ni Kirby Raimundo. Nag-invest si Thomas. And now, Pure Foods ahead. 24-23, Jonathan Salvador. Na-hook niya doon si...
offensive foul yun. Si Salvador ang natatawagan. Okay, kaya ibabalik ni Coach Ryan Gregorio si Darius Rice. Pure Foods still playing on an all-Filipino lineup. Ito ang kanilang finalist team sa Philippine Cup.
Well, 30-second timeout ang hingin ni Coach Pompero kasi namamadali niya itong mga players. 30 seconds lamang ito. So, kung madali ko bumalik dito sa bench. Of course, sabi nga natin, kaya parang sinasabi, wala po si Gary David, wala si KG Canalena, serving a 1-game suspension. GC Tal, ay wala rin po dito sa line of air ng Air 21.
As usual, very explosive to start this campaign.
Ang ganda na simula ng Santa Lucia Realtors. Sila ating todo sa sa paborito dito sa ating Fiesta Conference. Darwin Scatos firing. Ang Steven Salas. Wala nang sumalit sa kanya. Nakuha niya ng malinaw yung bola dun sa ilalim ng basket.
Alam mo, maganda sa ring defense ang pinakita ng Pure Foods. Playing a zone defense, forcing an outside shot. Way out of the range ni Arvin Santos. But nandun si Thomas. And that's what happens when you're playing without an import. No, si Rice is still sitting on the bench. Thomas is gonna lure it over inside. Ganda naman. Knockout play, backdoor.
Chico Lanete. Pasa kay Ray Evangelista. 4 points para kay Ray Evangelista.
Napapansin natin, si Evangelista is showing a lot of nice moves.
Yes.
Movement without the ball. Very rhythmical. Yun naman, si Evangelista deflecting.
Ito, magkamadala. Chico Lanete will go all the way.
He would score.
And here in the second quarter, dito para bang sabi mo nga, kanina doon sa mga watchlist, yung deals watchlist natin, yung mga mid-game adjustments na gagawin ng mga koponan ang kailangan din natin pansinin. And so far, dito sa second quarter, itong Pure Foods na nagpakita ng pagmumukha. Here's Ranidel. Follow-up 2 para kay Ranidel. First basket pa lamang yan para kay Ranidel de Ocampo.
Alam mo, the surprising thing is Pure Foods is making this run when Darius Rice sitting on the bench, ang kanilang mid-game adjustment, umupo muna si Rice. Masakit naman yun.
And here's Kirby Raimundo.
Oh, look at that getaway.
Matagal-tagal lang hindi umiscore si Kirby Raimundo,
Oh.
ha? Only 5 points so far para dito kay Kirby.
Locals getting the job done offensively. And as well as on defense, huh?
Again, all Filipino crew para po dito sa Pure Foods. Arwin San from the same spot. Ang paborito niyang spot from the entrance, wala. At si Chico Laneta, maganda ang pagdadala niya dito sa Pure Foods. James Yap, pinuksan ni Ray Evangelista yung tao para kay James Yap doon. Dire-diretso, libreng layup para dito kay James Yap.
Yap with 5 points.
They move the ball around. Marvin Cruz. Running jumper, yes. Laman pa rin po ang Pure Foods. Nakita niyo po yung mga players na naghihintay ng mga balik.
At wala doon si Darius Rice, ha?
May dribbling violation na naman dito. Santa Makmak ang dribbling violation para po dito sa Pure Foods yung first quarter. Mga traveling calls naman. At namang turnovers para dito sa Pure Foods Center, Juicy Giants. Balik si Roger Yamb. Also Winnie Arboleda para naman sa Air 21 in Homer Say. Now po si Arwin at Don Kramer for Air 21. Kailangan talagang magbalansa ng todo ni Coach Bob Pelasor. Kulang na kulang siya sa piyesa. Entering this ball game, Ronnie Del Rio Campo. Wala doon. Steve Thomas, kailangan niyang umararo for the turnaround shot.
Yun ang difficulty ngayon ng Pure Foods. So they're playing a zone defense. They're forcing 4 shots from the outside for Air 21. But hindi nila nakukuha yung rebound. Tuloy nakakakuha ng second chance opportunities ng Air 21 because they are playing with a much taller lineup. Again, sasabihin natin, no, wala si Enrico Villanueva, wala si Darius Rice on the floor. Now, Villanueva checks in. Eh, siguro napansin na ni Coach Ryan Gregorio, they've been badly out-rebounded.
Bugbog sila sa rebound.
Oo, bubog na bugbog. But still no sign of Darius Rice checking back in. Rice only with 6 points in this game, all in the first quarter.
Oh, mas marami na na-score. Ito po si Steve Thomas. Mayroon na pong 8.
At saka we noticed during the short stint of Rice on the floor, he never got the locals involved in the offense. So, tira ng tira. Maybe that's also the reason kung bakit nag-suffer yung teamwork ng Pure Foods in the first time.
Oh, Homer Say, labas yung paa niya. Baliktad siya ng Kirby.
And he will be called for the foul.
Alam mo mong, well, you were discussing ito si Darius Rice kanino. Napaka-load ng ating game story. Di ba? Rice or Paul dahil sumentro dito kay Darius Rice.
But I expect him to rise to the occasion.
Baka may extra price pa mamaya dito sa
Eh, palagay ko, hindi matatapos itong first half, makakabalik si Darius Rice on the floor.
At ito si Ray Evangelista. Talaga naman po ang ganda rin na pinapakita dito. Pero
Lost his concentration that time. Kasi nawala na ang footing niya eh. Another turnover against Pure Foods.
well, kahit na po napakarami turnovers para sa Pure Foods, lamang pa rin po sila dito, ha? Isang puntos lamang yan.
Yan na naman ang defensa, no?
Roger Yap, willing a wall away. Kumami ng bahagya. Papasok yan, meron ba pa? Ang ganda panoorin na dalawang rugged players. Roger Yap. At ito si Winnie Arboleda ang nagbabanggaan doon.
Alam mo, nagbago talaga ang defensive intensity ng Pure Foods sa ating second quarter. If you take a look at Roger Yap, showing the way and scoring in transition off the glass. So number one, sa depensa ng Pure Foods, they've taken away the transition attack ng Air 21. Hindi sila nakakasko sa fast break partner. Pangalawa, hindi nakakahawak ng bola si Thomas. Not unless he gets the offensive rebound. But partner sa set play ng Air 21, hindi nakakahawak at hindi nagiging option si Thomas.
Samantala ito, magandang nakaw din naman yun. Mula sa Air 21, Homer Say with an undergoal stab. Pasok mula dito kay Winnie Arboleda. A 2-point lead para dito sa Pure Foods. James Yap, he will lose it. At si Winnie Arboleda battling for the ball. Sinasalis talaga nila si James Yap.
Si Arboleda pa naman.
Ito na si Darius Rice.
Okay, he's back in the game. And Nick